Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a great everyday coffee option, check out these pods. These are from Solimo, which is an Amazon brand, and these pods are the dark roast. We decided to try these out because it really is a great value, but I'm super impressed by the quality of the coffee. This has an 8 out of 10 scale rating as far as intensity, and you can definitely tell when you brew your first cup. The coffee has a thickness to it as well as a dark, velvety flavor. What's really great is that because this is the dark roast, it makes for an awesome iced coffee as well. You can see even when opening the pod that the coffee grounds in there are just nice and luxe and really flavorful. The flavor of this coffee is good whether you brew it hot or cold, and I even tested it brewing the largest cup possible on our machine, and it still has that beautiful dark flavor. If you're looking for a great everyday pod, I would highly recommend it. It definitely exceeded expectations as far as flavor and richness and just an all-around great everyday coffee. But that's just my point of view.